Hey friends, welcome to today's video. Today I have 5 makeup tips that you probably are not doing that you should be. So these are little tips that really enhance and make a noticeable change in your makeup. They really just fine tune and perfect your makeup, but they're steps that are really easy to skip. You know, they're not like concealer or foundation or eyebrows, you know, the things that we kind of just do on autopilot. These are taking a little extra initiative to like perfect your makeup and enhance your beauty. And one of them is to ensure that your makeup lasts all day. This is one that I'm guilty of not always doing, but when I do it, man, it just makes such a difference. Okay, so let's start with eyes. I'm gonna start with something that I always do, and I preach this on my channel all the time, but to use a lash primer. It is so easy to skip this step because it's, you know, not really a fun product, right? It's with makeup, we always like to gravitate towards the fun packaging or the colorful shadows or the colorful liners or lipsticks or glosses. This is a product that you don't really see. You put it on and then you cover it with another product, but let me tell you, when you apply a good lash primer, it just enhances your entire eye look. It gives your mascara more volume and it just props the mascara up to do its job even better. It also conditions your lashes if you're using the right one so that your lash health improves over time, which means longer, fuller, thicker lashes. So why wouldn't you? My favorite is the Dior Maximizer. Love this. I've been using it for at least a decade. So good. Okay, the next is to tightline your eyes, tightline your upper lash line. This is something that I was doing for a while. I was doing it, you know, every day that I would do my makeup, and then I kind of got a little lazy or quick and I just didn't have the time and I let it go. But man, when you tightline your upper lash line, and what tightlining means is basically taking a dark pencil and lining that waterline right underneath your lashes. So it's, can you see it? You see how it's dark? What that does is it makes your lashes look so much thicker and fuller because it completely deepens the root of your lashes. If you are someone that doesn't have a lot of lash like me, it just, you can see skin in between your lashes. So it's it kind of takes away from the look of having a really full, thick lash line. So tight lining really just enhances and makes your lashes look thicker and fuller. It also contrasts with the white in your eyes, so it makes your eyes look brighter and wider and just makes your eye makeup pop. Now, the key is finding a good gel pencil that glides on comfortably and smoothly so that you're not like going back and forth on that sensitive area of the eye, but also stays in place. So you want something that's not going to transfer and get all over your eyes or get in the lower waterline. I really love the Trish McEvoy gel eyeliner in black. It's really intense. Does it even say intense? It says intense on here. It's intense. And it just goes on effortlessly. You just a little glide over it and boom. Another thing too, if you have dry eyes or red eyes or allergy eyes like I do, my eyes are always so sensitive, then when that waterline can kind of look a little pink and it can make your eyes look tired or sick. If I had $1 for every time someone asked me, are you okay? Why are your eyes so red? You know, I don't know. It'd be another stream of income for me. So I like to tightline because it kind of solves that little problem. Okay, the next is to take a little bit of a lightweight concealer and create a little line after you've done your eye makeup. So this is like on top of your makeup to just clean up your shadow. What's important is that you use a very lightweight sheer formula. I have the Dior Lash Luminizer. It's like one of those luminizing pens. I believe YSL has one as well. This is just a sheer brightening pen. So it'll slightly conceal, but it's not heavy or full coverage like a concealer. Keep in mind, I've already applied concealer here. I've already done that. And then I've applied my eyeshadow. Well, what happens is after we apply our eyeshadow, sometimes the shadow, you know, comes down a little bit lower than we wanted. Applying a little bit of concealer like right here and then blending it out is just gonna lift those eyes up. It's gonna pull and lift those eyes up and give you an instant kind of subtle eye lift with makeup. It also brightens. It's just that little subtle step, that fine, it's like one of those little secrets that makeup artists use. You know, when you go and get your makeup done, it's like an hour and a half or 2-hour appointment. And you know, it doesn't take you that long to do your makeup at home. It's because they are doing all these fine-tuned little steps. This is one of them. Make sure you get a light concealer. Don't go in with your full coverage concealer. Okay, next, I know I'm a broken record, but hey, I couldn't leave this out. A nude waterline pencil, taking a nude pencil and lining the inner rim. I don't want to spend too much time here because I feel like I say this in pretty much every makeup hack video, but this brightens the eyes up, you guys. It really, really does. Similar to what the dark does on top, it does to the bottom. When you pair it with a darker shadow or liner on the bottom, what you don't want to do is apply this and then not put anything on the lower lash line because that looks odd. You really need to have some contrast underneath, whether it be a bronzy pencil or a smoky shadow or something. Stay away from white pencils, lean more peach or banana shades. Those look more natural. This one, by the way, is by Inglot. It's the Kohl pencil in the shade 05. I will link a few of my favorites down below. Okay, and the last, are we already on the last? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we're on the last, number 5. Kind of an obvious one, but I feel like this is one that a lot of us skip daily. Maybe it's one of those things we think about when we have a special occasion, we need our makeup to last. Are we all using the setting spray daily? Are we? Let me know down below. Do you use the setting spray every single day? I wish I could say I did. I wish I could say I did. I'm getting better at it because it really does make a difference. I love the Milk Hydro Grip Refresh Spray. This does a great job of just like kind of setting the makeup so it takes away any like powdered or matte, dry look. It instantly gives that look of like you've had your makeup on and your natural oils are starting to kind of come through and give a natural look, but it also locks your makeup in place, keeps it on all day. Also love the Charlotte Tilbury one. That's a good one as well. I ran out of it and this is what I've been using in between and I really enjoy this. So a setting spray is one of those things that we might skip. We might not think, you know, again, it's not a fun product to buy. It's not like a shiny shimmery eyeshadow or a lip gloss. It is a setting spray, but it makes a difference, you guys. It makes a difference. So those are my 5 makeup tips that you might not be doing that you should be doing. Let me know how many of these do you do already and how many of them are you gonna start doing? I'd love to know. Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one. Bye.